everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have what didn't ship with my Fabfitfun fall box. I think it's interesting since it was actually, there are items in here that were selections and customization from my fall box plus mystery bundle. I think it's interesting it didn't ship in a fall box, but that doesn't really matter. Let's get in and see what we've got. So I do think it's kind of interesting that since this wasn't like an edit sale or something like that, that it's in a winter box, because in here I had a customization that didn't ship with my fall box, a couple of my add-ons, and my mystery bundle. But like I said, it doesn't really matter what box it's in. We just want to know what's in here. So let's get in it. So when I open it up, it's not very pretty. That's what it looks like. And there's my goodies. So let's just dig right in. It's kind of interesting this time because I do have a mystery bundle, but since we just did one, Jessica and I have decided to take this mystery bundle off and we're each just going to post our mystery bundles and then we'll get back into our battles. All right, so I do have a piece of paperwork, so let's see what it says. Does this box look familiar? Well, yes, it does. In an effort to be more environmentally conscious, we are upcycling excess past boxes to ship out your purchases, including add-ons, edits, and shop orders. Help the environment by recycling this box or turn it into a fun DIY. Okay, well let's dig right in and I will show you the last customization that did not ship with my fall box. This is really pretty. I am very pleased with it. I had heard that it was kind of small and it's probably not as big as it looked in some of the pictures, but I'm really happy with the size. Actually, you know what? It holds its shape so well. I'm getting ready to do an empties bundle and I think that this would be a really neat setup in my room downstairs to just catch all my empties in. Of course, that would imply that I'm gonna have a lot of empties because can you guys see how deep that is? I mean, it's... That would be a lot of empties, but this could be used. They showed a plant in it when we were doing our customizations. So they put a plant in it. I saw somebody that said they were going to try lining it with a trash bag so that they could use it as a trash can. It has little handles. Technically, as a purse lover, I'm here to tell you, I think that this could be used as a tote bag. I mean, it's got some serious body to it. Let me know below. Did you get this? What do you think? But it is Mia Melange, and our tag says Mia Melange handcrafted design, foldable cotton basket, 100% cotton yarn, polyester thread, gently spot clean with a wet cloth. And then it also has the Melange on it right there. Not sure what this, I guess if you wanted to hang it from a hook, like if you used it when you come in and you know how people have coat racks up, if you wanted to hook it on that and then fill it with goodies, you could. But I am really pleased with that. That is super cute. Okay, reaching in next, I have made a mess. So I guess the box was top heavy and it just fell off my desk. Be right back. Okay, as if nothing ever happened. Well, what I have next is the booster box. So I haven't told you word one about Fabfitfun. I get so excited about these Fabfitfun videos that I just jump right in. So Fabfitfun is a lifestyle box. It comes seasonally, spring, summer, fall, and winter. It is $49.95 per season. If you sign up annually, it takes $5 off the cost of each season's box, and it's $44.95. It generally comes with 8 products. If you are an annual of those 8, you get to make 5 choices. If you are a seasonal of those 8, you get to make 3 choices. Fabfitfun will then choose 3 products to round out your box. And I think starting last season, they added the booster box. And it's just an upscale brand that you can add to your box for a really reduced price. And this time I chose the Christophe Robin Regenerating Mask with Rare Prickly Pear Seed Oil. I love the Christophe Robin products. We get quite often, I'll be back, as samples this Christophe Robin salt scrub. It's probably not called that. It's called Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt. So I was very close. I love this. I like to just get it and your hair, it foams so well and it's just really clarifying. I like to use it once every week, every couple of weeks, and I thought when I did that, it would be great to follow up with his mask. So let's get in here. All right, so when I take it out, yay, it is a bottle within a box. This is just a nice cardboard box. Actually, I kind of like the size of it. It might have to have a job. And then that is the hair mask. And I believe to add it to boost your box, it was $19. I will let you know for sure right here what the price was on this and what the value was, because Christophe Robin products are really high end. Oh, this is nice and thick. Oh, It smells pretty good. Is that prickly pear? Is that what prickly pear smells like? It almost smells a little like cinnamon to me. That is what it looks like. It is super thick. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. I will probably be using this tomorrow. Let's see if it tells us what the scent is. There is nothing in here that is just fragrance. So the scent has to come just from the products and all of the extracts that they use. So I like that. And it says on the back of this, when creating this incredible mask, I selected 3 natural ingredients that complement one another, resulting in a deep, long-lasting rejuvenation. And then it says prickly pear seed oil is the precious natural remedy that has one of the highest concentrations of antioxidants, moisturizing, and reparative agents of any plant substance. That is interesting. And then it doesn't tell us what the other 2 ingredients are. So it's probably down there in the ingredients, but I'm not sure what's important to him. But you just massage this throughout your hair, starting at your scalp and going to your ends. Leave it on for 5 minutes, emulsify, and rinse thoroughly. And it is paraben, silicone, SLS, and colorant free. So that is what I added for my booster box. And next, this was an add-on. And I'm laughing because, you know, I've often said they don't tell you sizes when you're doing your add-ons, and I thought this was going to be much bigger than this. I will tell you in a second when I get it out of here what I want to use it for. Let's see if that's even possible. But this is a Sorbus Beauty 3-drawer makeup organizer case. And when you take it out, this is what it looks like. And it's just, it's my hand size. It is small. I mean, I can palm it. That is what it looks like, but it is 3 drawers. They just pull out. Each one of them has just a little felt-like liner. What I had thought about for this was it would be perfect. I have just gotten all of my information together. I was going to actually film it today, but I have to do it with a clean face and obviously I have on a lot of makeup. But I'm going to do my gua sha video probably tomorrow. So I am so excited about that. But once I gathered them all up into a single space, I've collected a few. Let's just leave it at that. And I thought, how fun would it be to lay them in here? And where I stand right now, I can get them in here. But if I pick up any more, this is definitely not going to work. I'm going to leave this up here and we'll find out tomorrow when I tape that video if this works. But that's what I was thinking. And then I thought I could either leave it downstairs or up here just with all my pretty gua sha stones in it. Because I have jade and quartz and white turquoise and just, they're so pretty. I would love for a way to display them. So that was the only add-on that I have that I didn't receive in my regular fall box. And now we are down to my mystery bundle. Okay, here's my little bag. That's all I've got. So let's dig in here. Mystery bundles are $29 and they say they have a greater than $100 value. My last one was so good. I got an Oribe hair product. I got a pump bottle of really nice English hand cream and some baby cream, and it was just a really nice one. So let's dig right in. Right off the top, I have the Akar Skin Pure Lip Restoration. And that is what that looks like. And I have actually had this product. This came in, I believe, an Allure. Oh, you know what? I don't know that I have had this exact one. Mine, I believe, was in a tin. Oh, I used to, remember when I kept that nice tray thing there? Mine was in a tin. This one is not. But that is what that looks like. And when you open it up, that is what the inside looks like. It is just a lip balm. They say they are really nice lip balms, and I will put the price here for you, but I haven't even used the one I've got, so I'm going to see if my daughter or one of my granddaughters would like this. But it is the Akar Pure Lip Restoration, and it is made, I believe, in Hong Kong, if that's what HK stands for. Okay, now the rest of my mystery bundle. First, I have an Ish lip line, and it's just going to be a lip liner, and I have it in color Champagne. I will open these all gently because I'm also, as soon as I finish taping this video, taping a giveaway. So any of these that I don't think are perfect for me can go in the giveaway. And that is what the lip liner looks like. And it's called Champagne. And I'm here to tell you, I have lip colors almost this exact color. So I am not going to open this. I am going to set it aside. And you are going to actually have seen this if you watched my giveaway before I post this, because I'm going to post this on Friday and I'm posting my giveaway today, which is Thursday. Next, I have the Ish Nail Lacquer Trio. That is what that looks like. I like the colors, so I'm kind of excited about this. It says that they are Shimmer and Shine, which is that one, 24 karat, and Cabernet Shimmer. Let's look at these colors. I love nail polish. I mean, you wouldn't know it from now. I need to spend some quality time with my nails. Oh, I like it. They're just little ones. I like that because I never finish them and I feel totally guilty, but that is the Cabernet. That is the Shimmer and Shine. And that is the 24 karat. So they are nice, cute sizes, and I really like the way those look. All right, now the 4 pieces that I have left were in a separate bag of the 3 that I've already shown you. So I'm guessing that this was an ish bundle. So I still got what they considered 3 products because they considered this one a bundle. But yeah, everything I got except for the Akar lip balm was ish. Next, we have a lipstick, and I'm a little nervous because I got one of these a couple of months ago, and it was, let's just say, fuzzy. But they did send me a replacement, and the replacement was very nice, so let's see. This one is gorgeous. It is a really nice color, and it is nice and clean. Love it. But you know what? It is so warm. I'm just going to close it right up and put it over there in the giveaway, and we will have a nice little ish collection. Next, I have an ish eyeliner in hot chocolate, H-A-W-T chocolate, and that is what that looks like. And that is, I imagine, why we also received this cute little sharpener. And when I open it up, it is just a brown eyeliner. I'm going to put that right back in here. I wish I hadn't opened it, and slide it into that giveaway. I have gotten so many black and brown eyeliners lately that I'm going to share that. And last but not least, I have a cheek and lip tint in Sunkissed. I'm kind of intrigued by this. So let's see what cheek and lip in Sunkissed looks like. Oh, so when we take it out, I'm still intrigued. That is what it looks like. It's kind of interesting. And it opens, I think, this way. Yep. Oh, so just, they want you to do it in a swipe. So over here on the side, there's a little, and you can slide it up and down. I'm going to try this because if I don't like it, my daughter might like it. That is really pretty, actually. I think that I could probably, because I'm so fair, I think probably I could use that to highlight my bronzing. Nice little streak there. Nice little streak there. Now let's see if it blends in. Here's hoping. It does. I kind of like it. I don't know if you guys can tell. It just gave me a little more contouring there than I had, and I did contour this morning. All right, I kind of like that. That's kind of fun. Okay, that's it. That's my mystery bundle. So except for the Akar lip balm, it is a Ish-a-Palooza. I got the Ish cheek and lip tint. Oh, so they want me to be using that on my lips too. The 3 nail lacquers, which I absolutely love. The brown eyeliner, the champagne lip liner, the cute little sharpener, and the fabulous lipstick. So that was my mystery bundle. I also received my Sorbus 3-drawer makeup organizer that I hope to use for my gua sha, my booster box Christoph Robin hair mask, which I am so excited about, and my Melange basket, which I am actually really excited about. With the handles, I don't know what I'm doing with it yet, but any ideas you have, just comment below. What are you doing with yours, or what do you think would be a great thing? I mean, it's got a nice flat bottom that's going to stand up. I mean, this is going to stand nicely. So I need some great ideas, guys. All right, thank you so much for coming by, guys. So that concludes fall 2020 for me. That said, on September 16th, the edit sale starts. So if you remember, on September 16th, and they're usually at noon Eastern, the edit sale opens for fall. I would suggest being on at noon. Some of the items sell out so quickly. It's unbelievable how quickly some of them sell out. And don't forget, if there's something that you've missed, be sure and favorite it. Because if you favorite it and then you go up and check my favorites just periodically, you will so often get to pick up something you've missed. Thanks again so much for coming by, guys. I hope you have a fantastic weekend. If you haven't entered the giveaway, I'll put the link up here so you can go over and check it out. And I will talk to you guys really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and take care, guys.